Do you have study notes, homework, or other school documents? Did you know you could earn up to $5,000 per month if you do? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing an online platform that will pay you up to $5,000 a month for your past homework, study guide, practice quizzes, etc. If this is your first time here, greetings. We discuss side hustles and Instagram growth strategies. Be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell if that's something you're interested in. That way you can stay up to date with our newest video releases. So yeah, if you have class notes, homework, study guides, and other school-related documents, you can earn passive income with the online platform Studypool. Now for those who don't know, there are two types of income: active income and passive income. Active income is earned through trading time in exchange for income and money. An example would be you working a job that pays you $30 an hour. If you work 10 hours, you get paid $300 before taxes are taken out. Now passive income is my favorite income, and is income earned with little to no daily work. An example would be selling a digital product on Gumroad, and every sale you make would be passive income because Gumroad will fulfill the order for you. So today, we'll dive into how you can earn both forms of income with Studypool. Studypool is an online academic learning platform that has been helping millions of students with their academics. Now, there are two ways you can turn Studypool into a side hustle for you. The first method is the earn income method, which would be applying to become a tutor. With this method, you'll have to complete and pass Studypool's online application process, which is 3 manuscripts. This allows Studypool to see if you're a good fit to answer questions for students. Now for this method, you can head to Studypool's homepage. I put the link to the website in the description below. Here you'll be able to apply as a text-based tutor by clicking the Become a Tutor option, located in the top right-hand corner of the homepage. The second method, which is my favorite method, is selling your school documents on the website. Since this method can earn you passive income and is my favorite, I will be focusing more on this method. So the second method is great if you are a current student, a former university student, a teacher, and or simply having academic resources that can help students. So the documents that you can sell are past homework, study guide, practice quizzes, examination and or quiz preparation notes. Now, it doesn't matter where you live, you can upload documents onto Studypool, and in any languages as well. When uploading your documents onto Studypool, the Studypool team will go over and review each document you've uploaded to ensure they contain valuable information for students. Once your document is reviewed and accepted, it's now available for students on the platform to buy. What's great about Studypool is that each document can be bought multiple times by students for up to $10 each. This has allowed the top earners to earn $5,000 per month. So when you visit the Studypool homepage, you can see recent top-selling documents. You'll see that the 9-page document Introduction to Terminology and Body Organization Study Guide has been sold 734 times and has earned over $4,000. You'll also see that the 9-page document Algebra Integrals Integration Notes has been sold 672 times and has earned over $3,000. Now, once you've created an account and signed in the upper right corner of the page, you should see a bell icon. Here you'll get notified when your document has been reviewed, approved, and when you sell a document. Once you start making sales, you can easily withdraw your total earnings from Studypool by using PayPal, Payoneer, TransferWise, Western Union, ACH, and bank deposit checks. Now, for this method, you can head to Studypool's homepage. I put the link to the website in the description below. Here you'll want to click the large pink button that says Start Selling Documents Now and create an account. Now, me personally, I'm for sure going the selling document method. Not saying that becoming a tutor can't be a great way to make some side money, but selling documents can earn me passive income, while allowing me to work on other side hustles. I also like that Studypool will sort through the documents for you. Instead of me having to go through each document, I can simply put all my notes, quizzes, study guides, and so on into one zip folder and upload the folder, and Studypool will take care of everything for me. Now that's it for this week's video. 3 things before you go. If this video has been helpful to you, please hit the like button, and let me know in the comments section if you have any documents you think you can sell on Studypool, and which method you're interested in. Also, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys again next week. Don't forget to subscribe